Even a little cough can be debilitating. Most of the time, people can manage their coughs at home by taking over-the-counter medicine. A dry cough can be caused by a variety of reasons. 1. Respiratory tract infection. 2. Postnasal drip. 3. Asthma. 4. Bacterial bronchitis. 5. Gastroesophageal reflux. 6. Air pollution. Try these 5 tips to treat your dry cough at home. 1. Stay hydrated. An upper respiratory tract infection like a cold or flu causes postnasal drip. Extra secretions trickle down the back of your throat, irritating it and sometimes causing a cough. Drinking fluids helps to thin out the mucus in postnasal drip and also helps to keep mucous membranes moist. 2. Have a hot drink. Drinking warm tea with honey also can soothe the throat. 3. Take steamy showers. A hot shower can help a cough by loosening secretions in the nose. 4. Take medications to treat coughs. If you're coughing so much that your chest hurts and you're getting a bad night's sleep, consider a cough suppressant such as dextromethorphan and codeine linctus. Talk to your doctor if your cough lasts longer than a couple of weeks. If you are coughing up thick mucus or having other symptoms such as weight loss, fever, chills, or fatigue, get emergency medical help if you are having trouble breathing or are coughing up blood.